Have you seen those crazy AI kissing and hugging videos blowing up on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts? Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own viral AI hugging and kissing video using Edimakor in just one click. No acting, no editing, just pure AI magic. I won't waste your time. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First things first, grab HitPaw Edimakor, an awesome AI-powered tool loaded with tons of creative features. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just hit the link in the description below. Once it's installed, open it up, and we're ready to go. Step 2. Create your AI hugging kissing video. Inside Edimakor, click New Project. Then select AI Video and choose AI Effect. You'll find a massive library of AI video effect templates, everything from cinematic transformations to viral TikTok trends. There are plenty of kiss templates to choose from, like Kiss Your Love, Kiss Kiss, and Kiss Me into Cloud 9. For this tutorial, go ahead and select the Kiss Kiss template. Next, upload your photo, set your preferred duration and resolution, and hit Generate. Just like that, you've got the perfect AI kiss video. You can also create an AI hugging video just as easily. Simply pick one of the hugging video templates, and boom! Your AI-generated hugging video is ready to go. And that's it. In just a few seconds, Edimakor AI creates a stunningly realistic kissing or hugging video. No acting, no editing, just pure AI magic ready to share. Step 3. Viral AI Effect. You can explore the AI Effects library. It's packed with tons of ready-to-use templates for every kinds of viral AI videos, including Dragon Evoker, Grafty Ads, Muscle is Power, Ghostface Terror, Zombie Style, yeah, Blueprint Super Me, Anime Story, I Believe I Can Fly, and many more amazing stuff waiting for you to try. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.